And then now we will go to XRP, which XRP's been doing amazing the past few days.
It's been consistently going up. Oh, look at that.
It's been on a run, man.
Look at that.
It's been on a run. It went from like 30 cents to 55 cents. It's just about 55 cents right now.
Okay.
And again, we're XRP paired with the US dollar on the weekly time frame. So each candlestick here represents 1 week worth of trading. So we have our Fibonacci drawn from the high here. We have the bottom of the Fibonacci drawn at this wick here, which is June 13th, 2022. We have one touch point of the trend line here, our second touch point here. We have a few touch points right in here, and we have wicks below, we have wicks above, and just about retested it before we fell right back down. So other than the fib and the trend lines on XRP, I do have this red box for this wick here on March 28th, 2022, that needs to get filled because we just straight rejected from that level of about maybe 89 to 91 cents.
Okay.
And we just melted. I mean, we went all the way down to, man, a little bit below 30 cents. We went to about 29 cents, high 28 cents. And then we just stayed there for months. I mean, look at our low here. That was, let me line it up perfectly for you guys. That was June 13th. And here we are now in the week of, sorry about that, September 19th. So, I mean, we just went sideways for months. And XRP has just been building up and building up. And now we're finally challenging this level of the 236. And I expect when XRP pumps. I mean, I'm sure the weekly time frame will close around 55 cents, maybe 60 cents. It'll wick down to retest this level of the 236 at 55 cents. And we should just see this candle again. Just boop, boop, keep going. If not, if we don't see a candle like this, you know what I mean? That happened last year, April 5th, 2021. Look at that candle. We just took off. So I expect, I mean, that could happen, no problem. We could definitely be up at the 61.8 on XRP, which is about $1.98. So, I mean, things look amazing for XRP. The longer we go without retesting this trend line here, the higher that trend line gets and the higher the projections. Right now, if we were to retest it before the close of this week, that puts us at $1.22.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we would be up at the 78.6 and we'd be touching that trend line that is drawn here, you know, almost 2 years ago. In 2 months, it'll be 2 years ago. So this trend line is extremely valid, extremely valid.
You should do a risk to reward ratio on this one so people can see where would you start taking profits on here.
Yeah, so I mean, XRP, honestly, I would honestly consider taking profits at the 55 cent level, which is the 236. But I mean, it's all up to you and how much you're trading with and your expectations and everything like that. But I would definitely consider taking profits right off the table right now. Give me just a second.
So at the bottom, all the way at the bottom.
Oh, that is a good point. Yeah, you're right.
Prediction and
Long
measurements?
position. Look at you. So if you would have entered down here, you'd already be up, man.
Let's see.
Sorry about that. Come on, pen. Okay, make it nice and tight at the bottom of the swing lows. I mean, just look at that. That's a decent risk to reward. Don't get me wrong. It's not amazing, obviously, but once you do this, like, I mean, just challenging the bottom of the red resistance box, that's an amazing risk to reward setup. Look at this. If we go and touch the 61.8, there's what our risk to reward looks like. If we go up and touch the 78.6, that's what it looks like, just from a very extremely low risk trade, keeping that stop loss tight at the, swing lows of the current Fibonacci, and we're going up to the 78.6. But if you want to ask me where I would take profit, I would take 10% profit exactly where we're at.
Okay.
To at least 10%. Then I would take the 15% profit here at the bottom of the red box. And then I would probably, at that point, take about 25% at everyone's favorite 61.8, and then I would set that trailing stop loss.
Okay.
Right?
At the top of that red box.
My trailing stop loss would probably be just shy of the red box,
Okay,
right
got it.
below it.
Okay.
Right around, what is that, 83 cents, 84 cents. When price gets rejected and comes back down, you're just out of the market. You're done. You got your profits. You were fed all the way up, enjoyed the ride, and you'll be a buyer back down here, back when we retest these levels down here where we broke out of, right when we start to retest down here, man. So that's what I'm talking about. So XRP looks amazing.
Good.
XRP looks absolutely amazing.
If you're an XRP, if you've been buying it up this whole bear market, we not financial advice, it's up to you, but we gave you some possibilities of where to start thinking and getting profit if you are in profit on XRP.
Oh yeah, exactly.